Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to integrate the Canvas LMS with openSIS. First, we will log into the Canvas LMS instance using a site administrator profile. Once logged in, we will navigate to the Account module. Inside this module, we will go to the Settings page. In the Settings page, there is a section called Approved Integrations. Our goal is to create a new access token for openSIS for the Canvas LMS integration. To do this, click on the New Access Token button. Here, we need to enter a purpose. Let's write something like openSIS to Canvas integration. For the next two fields, expiration date and expiration time, we will leave them empty because we don't want to limit the duration of our Canvas integration. We want it to function as long as needed. So, we will skip these two fields and click on the Generate Token button. Now, Canvas LMS has generated a new access token for us. We will copy the token and store it in a safe place because, once we close the modal screen, we will not be able to view it again. I have copied the token, and I will close the modal now. At this point, we are done with the setup on the Canvas side. Now, we will go to openSIS. In openSIS, navigate to the LMS module, then go to the LMS settings page. Here, you need to select Canvas as your LMS. Then, you must enter two values: the Canvas URL, the access token. We will paste the access token that we copied earlier. For the Canvas URL, we will go to our Canvas instance, copy the URL from there, and enter it in the required field. Finally, we will save the configuration. Great! We have successfully configured openSIS to integrate with Canvas LMS. Now, we will test the connection to ensure everything is working properly. Perfect! The connection is successful, and the system shows that openSIS and Canvas LMS are now connected. One last step is to enable synchronization. Please note that without enabling synchronization, we will not be able to sync students, staff, or courses. So, I will turn on the synchronization button, and we are done.